In today's video, I'm going to unbox a Pepwave Max Transit Duo LTE-A. Let's have a look and see what's inside. So first we've got the quick start guide. We've got the router, of course, and then let's have a look underneath. We've got power supply, GPS antenna, and then we've got a pair of Wi-Fi antennas, which are those, and then 4 cellular antennas, which is good too. And then we've got some little mounting brackets, and because I'm in the UK, a UK adapter for the power supply. Pop the box out of the way. So let's take a closer look at the router itself. Here it is. So this is the LTE-A version. So that's Cat 6, isn't it? Yes, Cat 6. On the front we've got a pair of USB power adapters. So this can be powered in 3 ways actually. We've got power in the front, 5 volt DC. We can do 12 volts to 48 volts DC on the DC input. We've got the plug-in power adapter for that. And we've also got this terminal block, and the first 2 pins are positive and ground for DC input as well. The other connections here, by the way, are for serial, and I'll get to show you a bit about that later, hopefully. What's nice is that if you power this with USB, this is USB micro, then you get an indicator as to which batteries are currently connected, or which power blocks are currently connected, which is nice. And then on the back we've got all of the antenna connectivity. So we've got, this is dual cellular, so we've got dual connections per cellular. We've got GPS, and then we've got the 2 Wi-Fi connections as well. And under here we've got 2 SIMs per modem. So just as usual, these modems support active and passive SIMs, or live and standby if you prefer. So only 2 SIMs can be used at any one time, 1 per modem, but you can fail over to alternate SIMs as well if you need to. The case is metal, it's got grounding points on the side, and it comes with these brackets. So a close look at those. And these are designed to be fitted in a number of ways actually. So you can either do them at the front here, or rather the rear. Probably wouldn't do it like that actually. But they can mount forward facing. You could use them to fix it to a surface like that. So 2 brackets either side onto a surface. And that would secure it down, and I've seen a lot of people bolt it to a wall like that and secure it in that way, particularly in vehicles, in vehicle installations. And there we have it really, the Max Transit Duo.